What up, man? You got my stuff or what?
Yes, sir. You know I got you. I'll meet you at the spot.
All right, baby. What's good, baby?
Good, my man.
Got that good stuff?
Yes, sir. You know I do. This ain't no middle of the mall.
That's what I like to hear. Let's see it. Woo! Them bibs been stepped on?
You know these 100% pure roundhouse.
Oh, let me see them, baby. Hot damn! Brand new, fresh, baby. Can't get those anywhere. Man, I appreciate that.
Yes, sir. You know I got you.
All right, man.
Bet.
Puddin' Tang in the rap game. Oh man, when I was a kid, my grandpa, he told me don't you ever tell no lie. So I figured I'd spit some truth to y'all. Here we go, baby. I pulled up in the pasture for that four-door classic. It's baby blue patina, so you know I had to have it. Stay rocking bibs every day, dag nabbit. And you know that I married a bad bitch. Hot damn. Hot damn. Whoa. Hot damn. Whoa, man. Had to clean her up with the fresh pressure washing. Snakes, rats, ants, I think I seen a possum. She looks pretty good, but she ain't no Dodson. Selling cars and rapping, I think I missed my calling. Hot damn. Hot damn. Hot damn. Whoa, man. You guys kick ass so my channel stays growing. Haters gonna hate so true colors are showing. Your ass is grassing, I'm down for mowing. If you didn't know, it's time you get to know. When the birds start crowing, I'm always patrolling. My gun is where I'm going, Torolla stays towing. My trucks are low and make you say, oh man, I ain't got a thermostat, I just keep flowing. People said I could rap or park it and market. I can do some welding, I'll spark it and arc it. 100,000 subs is my goal and my target. Shit, if my wife's around, don't say target. Because she's in charge, man, looking for a bargain. She got Starbucks and the guy looked like Tarzan. I got distracted, I was rapping about cars and time to bring the hook. How that thing go, man? Hot damn. Hot damn. Hot damn. Whoa, man. There you go, baby. Does my belly look big? Because I'm full of shit, y'all. I'm having too much fun doing this. There we go, baby. New hit, new single, coming soon. I'll go a cappella like the end of freaking 8 Mile. I ain't scared. This beat needs me, I don't need it. Shout out to my boys up north. Mortsky and Duff Dog.